All right, let's get into a huge chemistry concept, solution concentration.
Yeah, one's dilute, one's concentrated, but science needs exact numbers, not just feelings.
So how do chemists actually measure this? Well, there are three main ways we're going to cover. First up is mass percentage. Think of it as just a simple ratio, a part to the whole. And the formula is super straightforward. Just take the solute's mass and divide by the solution's mass.
You see this all the time, especially in medicine and on products you buy at the store.
Okay, moving on to a method that's absolutely essential in the lab, molarity. Molarity is all about the moles of your solute per liter of the entire solution. So the formula is moles divided by liters. Notice it's the total volume of the solution. Next up is molarity's tricky twin, molality. They sound almost identical, but they're critically different. And here's the big twist. We're talking about moles per kilogram of just the solvent.
So the crucial difference is you're using the mass of the solvent, not the final solution.
So molarity versus molality, this is where everyone gets tripped up. How do you remember it?
It really boils down to this. Molarity is about volume of the solution. Molarity is about mass of the solvent. Here's a fantastic exam tip. The L in morality can remind you it uses the solvent. Okay, let's go over the common traps. These are the mistakes you absolutely want to avoid. Want a simple way to nail this for your exam? Just follow this 4-step study plan. But you might be wondering, why do we even need both? Does it actually matter which one we use? Well, here's the thing. When you heat up a liquid, its volume changes, but its mass doesn't. And that's the key difference. Molarity depends on temperature, but molality is completely independent of it. That's why, for high-precision work, scientists prefer molality, especially when temperatures aren't stable. So, to leave you with a real-world puzzle, think about food that gets frozen and heated. And there you have it, solution concentration explained. For more, subscribe to ShadowStories.